Hello everyone, welcome back to multi-channel YouTube services and entertainments. Very beautiful day with amazing taste, natural Turkish coffee.
We came here with our family on a beautiful morning to White Mud Park. We started up on a very nice and cozy fire to cook naan bread. The most importantly, Turkish coffee. The Turkish coffee was extraordinary, and it smelled very nice. The smell was amazing, and the scent was a bold flavor, and it was best if you have this amazing coffee at a nice, cozy park to enjoy with your family. It was a very beautiful day, and please like, subscribe, and share. We cooked this fabulous naan bread and Turkish coffee on the fire. The fire was very nice to watch at a very cozy evening at the park. The fire was the main important part of this video as well. The fire just made it even more cozier drinking the nice Turkish coffee and naan bread. If you like this video, there are 700 random videos that are very cool to watch, and if you like to enjoy this video, there are other videos related videos linked in the description. Thank you.